So guys, finally our chicks have arrived. Okay, I put vitamin B12 and B complex in water bottle, and also I put feed, mash feed 4 number, and they are being here since last 4 to 6 hours now. And as you might see, I burn coal, so the room will get some warm. Okay, because I thought those bulbs are not enough. I put one over there, but it's not working yet, as you can see. But now you can see they are running, they are eating, they are drinking, they are sleeping. It's a three hand rule. 33% should be running, 33% should be eating, and 33% should be sleeping. And you can see, alhamdulillah guys, and it's quite hot actually. I burned some woods. Now I place it over here because room was little cold, so now it will get warmed, then the temperature will be good for overall the night. But yet you can see they are piling up near the bulb because bulb have a little heat. And this is the feed, national feed 4 number, mash feed actually. You can see the thing you should follow while adding the chicks into the farm. You should dip once the beak of the bird into the water, so it can know it is the water. And same you have to put some feed in some places so that bird can feel it is eating stuff. And after it, when it will know, it will start eating from the feeders. I should use tray feeders yet, but I didn't have that, so I used these simple feeders. But it's okay, they are eating is okay. And it's also getting heated up the room. Now it's okay. So guys, it will be the first part of our farm, and let me know what should we do in the future related to our farm. And when they start doing this, you have to do one step to do this. You have to remove them for 6 to 7 hours from piling up, so it should not be well suffocated. As you can see, the 2 bulbs, they are getting under that 2 bulbs, so it's mean we need 2 more bulbs, so that some bird should be over here, some over there, and like these two, because it's getting too bad over here. It shouldn't be like this. It can suffocate the bird and bird could die. But I have over here this stove. It's good now because temperature of the room is getting warm, I can feel. So guys, finally we have chicks inside. I will start sharing the videos on YouTube so that you guys can understand from it a little bit, as much as I can do for you guys. You can use this stuff. It is a little messy over here, but don't care about it. We should have our farms sterilized, not the background, because it's not a 100% biosecured farm. You can do this when they start piling up, so that it can lead little stress, but stress is nothing, because piling up is a bad stuff. if you want to save your chicks from the piling up, you should increase the temperature, so evenly temperature will be raised and the chicks will be in evenly scattered, not like this. So I hope it will help us because raising the temperature of the room. So guys, I'm going to finish our first video over because it's getting too big video, too long, but I thought it will be good for you guys, at least for those who even didn't know about 1% of poultry farming. You can have your own little poultry farm at your home and you can earn little money from it in the future when chicks will rise. And actually these are 110 and one of them is died due to suffocated while during transportation, but it's okay, we ordered 100, they gave us 110 chicks. It have English Egyptians chicks and 5 or 10s are RIR and same 5 or 10s are astrolobes. They gave us mix, actually they gave us the 10 extra, that ones was RIR and astrolobe chicks, and it's okay, no problem. So guys, hope you enjoy the video, so please help us and share our channel, like, subscribe, we will be thankful, and in future we will have our big poultry farm inshallah. It's getting too dark because it's midnight time and I'm filming them and they are sleeping yet. Before this time they were running, eating, but now they are start sleeping. As you can see, it's okay, no problem, they can sleep and they can be warm themselves, mashallah. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, see you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz. So guys, today is 5th of March and you know they had arrived 2nd of March. Now they are approximately 5 to 6 days old. So tomorrow 6th of March we will done their anti-Lasota vaccination in drinkers. So I am using these drinkers with immunotone, immunity booster and multivitamins. Okay, and you can see over there I have stove running over there to heat up the room, and now they are active. Day third and day fourth I got one mortality.